Hello children. Today in computer we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 3, Tools of Word Processor. Children, word processor. As in our copy, we write something with different kinds of characters, numbers, letters, alphabets, etc. So in computer also there is an program which is known as word processor or notepad or wordpad, which help us to write something in a computer. Children, you must have noticed textual content in various. Textual content means these kinds of alphabetical characters, numbers, symbols, etc. Typed letter, characters, number or special characters are known as text. Contained means contents that are saved in computer memory are called soft copy. Whatever the things we are typing or we are saving in the memory of a computer, the contents are called soft copy. Text or contents kept in a file in an organized way is called document. Children, we save so many things in a computer. So whatever the things or important file we are saving in a computer in a very organized, specific and patterned way in a computer is called documents. And we can open these documents whenever we want to see them, we want to use them. In the previous class, you also learned about creating, saving and opening document. Word processor helps us to make this document and text more attractive, fix the position of the text and content, and it also enables if there is any spelling mistake or text correction is required, automatically it is done in the documents. We don't need to see each and every spelling. Within the duration of writing only it gets corrected. Editing text. Editing means to make some changes. Editing of document involve modifying, inserting, deleting the text of a document or a part of document. See, if we are saving or making any document in a computer and after completing the document we see that this thing is missing, we forget to write this thing, in between the document something is not correct, we want to delete it. So this is not possible ki we should again prepare the whole and entire document. So editing help us to make modifying in that document. In between, if you want to insert any text, character, number, etc., we can insert it. If we want to delete the document or delete any part of the document, we can delete a part of document. Inserting text. It means to insert contents in the document. Inserting text means we can insert or add any contents to the document. Selecting text. It means identifying or doing selection of a particular portion of content of a document. Means if in a whole document we want to make any kind of changes in a part of document, selecting text help us to select a part of document in which we want to make certain kinds of changes. Clear, students?